Welcome back to another. I think it said my package is here. I don't see it. Oh, here it is. Oh, I almost hit my finger on that. Oh, whatever. I got my package. Sorry about the mess. Yeah. Look what I got here. And I'm pretty hungry, so that's why I have cereal right here, so yeah. But let's open it. Made in China. Okay, let's open it. Okay, I don't want to show you the box just because. Boom. Boom. What's else in here? What else in here? What else is in here? I know you can't see me because you can't see the box. Ah! Rubik's cubes. Ow, my arm is stuck. Ow. Okay. This one first. So I already have a Rubik's cube like this one. Not so why is it like that? All taped up. Well, let's open it. Jeez. What the heck? Well, it's a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It's actually called a pocket cube. Here's the instructions. But I don't want to know about it because I already have a Rubik's Cube, so I know how to play with it. But yeah, let's play with it some more. So, yeah. Boom, boom. Not to lie, this is actually pretty fun. Yeah. But I already have one of these. It's called a pocket cube. But it's not like this smooth like the one I have. But yeah. It's still pretty cool, right? Okay. Time for the 3x3. AKA it's actually also called Magic Cube. Here's the instructions. Here's the instructions. And here's the cube. Pretty nice. I haven't played with a 3x3 cube in a very long time, so I barely know how to use it. So yeah, but let's mix it up like this. Okay, now let's do it. Now let's have it back. Let's get it back to normal. Boom. Pretty cool, right? Okay. Time for this one. The triangle one. It's actually called a pyramid. So yeah. Let's open it up. Here's the instructions. Here it is. But yeah, look how cool. Look how weird this thing looks. You can turn the corners, all of them. How cool is that? We can do that, this. Let's mix it up and do it again. Oh no, I forgot how to work it. Well, now it's stuck like this. Okay, but look how cool this looks. This is all my Rubik's Cubes I bought. So yeah, they're pretty cool. Let's mix them up before I end the video. Okay, this is not getting mixed up, but soon it will. Okay, now I don't know what to do, but this is to mix up Rubik's Cube, Magic Cube. I can do patterns with it. It's just on the app on my phone, and I record on my phone, so yeah. Let's mix this one up. Yep. Yep. Yep, 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 yep. And I'm not looking. Look. See, I'm not gonna look, and then I'm gonna mix it up. Boom. All mixed up. Pretty cool. Time for this one. What the heck? Looks broken. Okay, that's pretty weird. So that's all of it. That's all I'm gonna do for today's video. So yeah, they're all really cool. You guys should buy it. I got it off Amazon. And it's only $10 for all these three. So yeah, you guys should go buy it on Amazon. So yeah, I'll see you soon on the next video. Boom. Sorry about the beginning, but it's like, welcome back. But that was already a video I already made, so yeah. So just ignore it. Okay, bye. I hope you liked the video. Meow.